Hello, good evening, everybody. You are welcome to this live class. Please, if you can hear me clearly, just type in the comment section or in live chat that you can hear me, please. If you can hear me, just type in the comment section or the live chat on your YouTube that you can hear me. All right. Welcome. While others are still joining, you can just type in the comment section or the live chat that you can hear me. All right. We are about to learn something that is not going to be taught in class in today's live class. All right. This tutorial is just for you to know how to solve maths 102 and stats 112. Even by just looking at the question, you are going to be solving it. All right. So if you can hear me, type in the live chat that you can hear me. All right. Type in the live chat that you can hear me while we're waiting for others to join us live. All right. All right. Welcome. Welcome everyone. Okay, I can see some people typing that can hear me. All right. So welcome to MTH 102 rather calculator tutorial online meeting with Tutor Josh. Please, if you can't hear me, check your connection, all right? Check your connection. Check your connection. Check your internet connection if you can't hear me. But if you can hear me clearly, type in the comment section that you can hear me. Okay, I can see some people. I can see Precious. I can see God's gift. I can see Blessing. I can see Angel. I can see Yusuf. I can see Matrix Studio. Yeah, Matrix Studio. Oh, I just type in the comment section. You can hear me. And please, can you see my screen? If you can see me clearly, you can see what is written on the screen. Let me know also. You can type in the comment section that you can see my screen clearly, because obviously I'm going to be showing you how this is done. So if you are not seeing what I am doing, so there's something that you'll be mixing out somewhere, right? So just type in the comment section that you can see my screen also, and you can see it clearly. And if you cannot see my screen clearly, this is YouTube, so you can just go to the top right corner of your screen and switch the video settings to H1020p or the highest definition that you can get there. All right. If you cannot see my screen, go to the right top corner of your screen and switch the video settings to 1020p or the highest definition. But if you can see my screen, let me know in the comment section that you can see my screen. Let me know in the comment section that you can see my screen. All right. Let me know in the comment section that you can see my screen. All right, you're welcome to today's class. Now, today's class will just be precising on MTH 102 and Stats 112. Most of us are from FUPRI, most of us are from UNIN, PTI, DELSU, University of Delta State, and a lot of university students are in this live section. So this is a course that you'll be doing in your 100 level, or you are currently doing, and most times we are actually giving exam and limited time to solve. That's why I used to ensure my students that they should learn how to solve it, even without solving. Just by looking at it, you are going to get your answer. Okay, so we are going to dive into what we have. Now, I want you to do this for me. I want you to avoid distraction. All right, I want you to what? Avoid distraction. All right, and please, if you've not gotten your pen and your book, please go and get it now. All right, because I'm going to be showing the step on how you can solve mathematics without solving. So you want to be taking notes down, you want to be jotting things down. So go and get your writing materials, your book and your pen immediately. And also make sure your calculator, which is Casio FS991 ES Plus calculator, is with you. All right, so when I'm punching or pressing the calculator on my screen, you are also doing so and you're getting the right steps. And please be willing to learn and pay rapt attention. All right, pay attention to me to the end of the class. And lastly, stay to the end of the class to grab my giveaway offer, because there's going to be a giveaway at the end of the class. So it's only for those that will stay at the end of the class that is going to get it. I hope you all understand. All right, so we'll be moving on to my next slide. Now, I actually call it mass 419, which is actually your 102 calculator method, right? I actually call it mass 419 because we are actually cheating the lecturer. We are doing what is not going to teach us, isn't it? We are doing what is not going to teach us. So we are actually maneuvering our own way to get our answer right. And if I may say, all of this that is on your screen is what has been taught in your class. Your limit at infinity, limit of a function, inverse of a function, discontinuity, domain and range of a function, differentiation and integration. In class or in the group chat, a lot of you said you want to know how mass one, you want to pass your mass 102, you want to know how start 112 is solved and the rest. That is why you need to stay to the end of this class, because I'm going to be showing you all of this in this class. All right, so this topic is what's done in your mass 102, and all of this topic that I wrote on the screen, or you can see on your screen, is what you can actually do even without wasting your time. A lot of you will be given like 1 hour, 2 hours during the exam period. That is why you need to know how to solve all of this, even by just looking at it. All right, so we'll start with the first one, which is limit at infinity, because we're going to do all of this here. And if we didn't finish up, I will tell you where you can actually learn the rest from me. Okay, so let's start with limit at infinity, because we'll go from beginning to the end. Even from integration, differentiation, all of this can be solved with just your calculator. By just punching your calculator, you are solving and you're getting it right. All right, so we'll move over to what we have, limit at infinity. Now, you'll be given a question like this, what you should know. You'll be given a question like this, f of s is equals to as plus b divided by cs plus d, and they will tell you limit s to infinity. Limit s to what? To infinity. Now, I have those 3 laws. Okay, 3 laws. Please pay rapt attention. Don't get distracted because we just started. I have 3 laws. Now, the first says that if the highest power of the numerator, that means the highest power of s of the numerator, is greater than the highest power of the denominator, your answer to that question is minus infinity. Hey, I hope you're following me. Please, if you are following me in the comment section, just type it. Type in the comment section you're following me, please. Type in the comment section that you are following me. If you are following me, type in the comment section that you are following me. Just type in the comment section following me. So I'll give you the remaining 2, because I said I have 3 laws for you. Just 3 laws. So if you are following me, type in the comment section that you are following me. If you are following me, type in the comment section that you are following me. All right, I can see Imma Peters, or Peter rather, is following me. So if you are following me, type in the comment section that you are following me, that you've gotten this first law, that if the power of x is greater than the power of, or the power of s in the numerator is greater than the power of s in the denominator, your answer to that question is what? Minus infinity. That means the power of s in the numerator is greater than the power of s in the denominator. Your answer to that question is what? Minus infinity. So this is what you should know. A question is going to stop. I don't expect my student to take their pen and start solving a limit at infinity question. When you just know that once you see the power of x, I see the power of s in the numerator, I see the power of s in the denominator, you are getting your answer. This is the first 2 laws, or the first law I'm going to give you. So I'm seeing a lot of people that are following me. Thank you. I'm seeing Emmanuel, I'm seeing Matthew Studio, I'm seeing Blessing. So a lot of you are following. So let's go over to the next law. Now, the next law says that if the highest power of the denominator, that means now it's not denominator. Denominator is what? Greater than what? The numerator. Denominator now is greater than what? The numerator, right? Now, what is going to be your answer? Your answer will be what? 0. Your answer will be what? 0. So if your denominator or the highest power of s in the denominator is greater than the highest power of s in the numerator, your answer is 0. So you're not expecting you to start solving a question in limit at infinity. You just look at it and okay, what's the highest power of s? It is greater than the highest power of what? The denominator. Your answer is going to be 0. You understand? So this is what you should know. This is very interesting. You know what? Let me give you the third one. Let's go back to the third one. I hope you've gotten this one now. I hope you've gotten. If you've gotten it, let me know in the comment section that you've gotten it. Now, for the third one, if the highest power of the numerator is greater than the highest power of the numerator. Okay, actually, what I want to write here is if the highest power of the numerator is equal to, not greater than, please. This greater than is not correct. If the highest power of the numerator is equals to the highest power of the denominator, okay? It's just for my slide. So if the highest power of the numerator is equals to the highest power of the denominator, you can take that down. You can take that down. If the highest power of the what? Numerator is equals to, not greater than, forget what is here, is equals to the highest power of the denominator, your answer will be the coefficient of the numerator and the coefficient of the denominator over the coefficient of the denominator rather. That's your numerator power of x is equals to the numerator power of the denominator power of x. It is equals to the coefficient. I hope you know what coefficient is. Okay, we're in 100 level, obviously. We're in 100 level. So coefficient is, okay, let's go back to our slide. Coefficient here is what? The coefficient of s at this part is what? A. The coefficient of s at this part is what? C. So your answer, if the power of x is 3 here and power of s is 3 here, your answer will just be A over C. The coefficient of A and what? Coefficient of s in the numerator and coefficient of s in the denominator. I hope you've gotten these laws. I hope you've gotten these third laws, or these 3 laws rather. If you've gotten it, let me know in the comment section that you've gotten it. If you've gotten these 3 laws I gave, let me know in the comment section that you've gotten it. If you've gotten these 3 laws, let me know in the comment section, because I want to do some examples now. I want to go over to examples from our past questions, from familiar question, our test question, because I collected full test question and also Uniben test question to just miss it, because I found out that a lot of students in the group chat are from Uniben. So if you've gotten these 3 laws, let me know in the comment section now before we move over to an example. Let me know in the comment section that you've gotten these 3 laws so we can move over to an example. Okay, I can see Stargate, I can see Israel, I can see Samson, I can see Emmanuel. If you've gotten these 3 laws, let me know in the comment section that you've got these 3 laws. These 3 laws I gave at limit at infinity. Now, this law is only for limit at infinity. All right. This law is only for what? Limit at infinity. We'll still do limit of a function. Okay. That one is also simple. You just look at the question and you're getting the answer. So have you gotten it? If you've gotten these 3 laws, let me know. Okay, let me just do a recap. The first law says that if the highest power of the numerator is greater than the highest power of the denominator, that means the power of x in the numerator is greater than, that is bigger than, right? It's bigger than the power of x in the denominator. The answer of that question is minus infinity. I'm not expecting you to solve this question. You are just going to know the answer straight by just looking at it. So the second law states that if, by the way, this law actually was formed by me, okay? So it's just my 3 laws. If the highest power of the denominator is greater, now power of denominator is bigger than the power of the numerator, your answer is 0. Now the third law states that if the highest power of the numerator, if the power of the numerator, I told you this is just for my slide. The slide was not correct. If the power of the numerator is equals to, this third law is equals to, forget my slide, it is equals to the power of the denominator. If the power of the numerator is equals to, it's going to give us the coefficient of the numerator over the coefficient of the denominator. So I hope you've gotten it down. So let's move over to an example. Now, this first example, now, if we check this first example, please pay attention. Don't get distracted. Pay attention. If we check this first example, the power, if you check the power of x, I'm not expecting you to solve something like this in your exam. If this question is in your exam, just look at it straight and do your answer and move over to the next question. The first example said x cubed plus x squared plus 8 over x raised to the power of 4 plus 4x plus 9. Then limit it to what? Infinity. Once you say limit to infinity, look at the power at the numerator. The highest power here is what? 3. And the highest power at the denominator is what? 4. So what are you going to do in the first question? That's the first question. The first question now, the denominator is greater than the numerator. Please, what is your answer? Obviously, your answer is 0. See, there is no way, there's no juju. The answer to this question is 0. Because the power of the denominator, the highest power of the denominator is greater than the highest power of the what? Numerator. The power of the denominator is greater than the power of the what? Numerator. So obviously, your answer to this question is what? 0. I hope you've gotten it now. I hope we've gotten the first question now. I can see Sam said 0. So a lot of this is going to come out in your exam. You just need to look at it. You don't see. I hate stress in my life. I hate students stressing themselves when a lot of this can be solved without solving. So you don't need to stress yourself. Just look at the question and you're getting the answer. Okay, let us do number 2. They said x raised to the power of 5 plus x raised to the power of 2 plus 8 over x raised to the power of 4 plus 4x plus 9. Limit it to infinity. Please don't solve this question in your exam or you are going to waste your time. There is no time. There is no time in the exam. So when you look at what is the highest power of the numerator? The highest power is 5. For number 2 question, the highest power is 5. And the power that is high in the denominator is 4. So what is your answer in this question? And tell me, what's the answer in this number 2 question? I want to see the answer in the comment section. Tell me the answer of this number 2 question. The highest power is 5 in the numerator, and the highest power is 4. That means the numerator is greater than the denominator. What is your answer? I want to know in the comment section. A lot of you are watching now. I want to know in the comment section. So for this question, number 2 question, the answer is minus infinity. So once you are seeing minus infinity in the option, just go straight to the answer and pick it. You are going to waste a lot of time if you go and start solving this question. You are going to waste a lot of time, and you don't want to waste a lot of time in the exam hall. Time is not your friend in the exam hall. Time is not your friend. That's why I advise students to learn this step, how to solve mathematics by just looking at it. You don't need to stress yourself. Okay, I'm seeing a lot of you saying minus infinity. That's correct. Now, I want you to check number 3 question. Check number 3 question. I don't want to talk. I don't want to say anything. What is the answer? Okay, let me just give you hint because you are just saying it for the first time. Let me just give you hint. This number 3 follows the third law. Number 3 follows the third law. Now check. I want to see the answer in the comment section. Type the answer in the comment section. I want to know that you're following me. You're not distracted. You're in this tutorial to learn something. You must gain something before you leave this tutorial. Type the answer in the comment section. Number 3, you have x raised to the power of 4 plus x raised to the power of 2 plus 6 over 2x raised to the power of 4 plus 3x plus 1. Limit it to infinity. Mind you, this is the third law I gave you. You are not going to learn this from anywhere. Except from Tutor George. You are not going to learn it from anywhere. Nobody is going to teach you this thing. So type the answer in the comment section. Though we are learning. So don't be scared. Just type what you know, or type what you've gotten from class. So I know that we are doing it for ourselves. type the answer in the comment section. Okay, I'm saying 1/2. Exactly. See, wherever you are, just clap yourself. Just clap, give a round of applause to yourself. The answer is 1/2. Okay, because if you check the power of the numerator, highest power of the numerator is 4, and you check the denominator is also 4, and the coefficient of s in the numerator is 1. The coefficient of s in the denominator is 2. So you are going to have 1/2. See, if you are here and you write 1/2, please clap for yourself wherever you are. Okay, so Josh is seeing you, but just clap yourself. Please give a round of applause to yourself. All right. So I hope you are enjoying this. I hope you are enjoying this and you're following. I hope we are all enjoying this and we are following. All right. So are we? For those of you in FUPRI, there are a lot of examples. Okay, we have to move on to the next topic. So for those of you in FUPRI, you will want to go to FUPRI past question. If you don't have the past question, you can come to my DM, but it should be after this class because I won't be able to reply your message. You can come to my DM and ask me for the past question. Okay, so I want to give you some questions on limit at infinity, random question on limit at infinity in your past question. Okay, I have unique question also, so I'll be sending it. You can come to my DM also. I'm going to send it to you. So for limit at infinity question, you can see it at the past question or in your past question rather. Go to 2000. Please write it down. Write it down. I'm calling it. So you can practice because practice makes perfect. If you just choose this thing and you go and sleep at home, my friend, there's nothing that's going to you. It's not going to enter your head. So make sure you practice. Practice with your practice with just looking at the question and knowing the answer. Most times I didn't even tell my students to check back answer because it is sure you get it. If your lecturer finds it, come and report it to me. I will fight with him. Okay, so practice your past question. Don't mind what I just said. Practice your past question. Go to 2017 stroke 2018, number 21, number 24, and number 47. 21, 24, and 47. Please, if you are listening, you also type it for those we come to this video and probably didn't get it. Just type it. 2017 stroke 2018, number 24, 21, and 47. Look at the question and practice it. You can practice it, get my time and tell me the answer. Number 2, 2018, 2019, number 16. These are limit of infinity question. These are limit of infinity question. Then 2015, 2016, number 5 and number 6. Number 5 and number 6. All right. Please, I hope you've gotten the question. Please, I hope you've gotten the question. So you can replay it or move back over to hear it. Or let me just call it again. 2017 stroke 2018, number 21, 24, and 47. 2018 stroke 2019, number 16. 2015 stroke 2016, number 5, and number 6. I hope you've gotten the question. If you've gotten the question, you can just tell me to move on. You can just type move on and we'll move on. Our time is fast spent. I don't want us to spend more than 1 hour because of our data. You can just tell me to move on. All right. You can just tell me to move on. If you've gotten it already. If you've gotten the question I just gave, you can just tell me to move on. Okay, I've seen move on. I've seen move on. So move over to the second topic, which we do. And mind you, make sure you practice what you just learned now because you don't want to leave it and you just forget it. Practice. Make sure you practice. Make sure you want to practice. So we'll move over to the next question, next topic. Limit of a function. Now, this one is similar to limit at infinity, but the difference is that we are not giving infinity. We are giving numbers. We are giving series of numbers. It can be 1, it can be 2, it can be 3, it can be 4. So how do we limit function like this? Now, please, hope you can see my screen. I hope you can see my screen. Look at this table I just did here in my screen. I want you to focus on your screen. Focus on, if you are working from phone, focus. Look at this limit I did here. When x tends to 1, what you are going to press in your calculator, okay, what you are going to press in your calculator, because I'm teaching you the calculator way. What you are going to press in your calculator is 0.9999. You cannot put it in 5 places. 99999. Why I'm doing it like this, so everybody is going to have a uniform answer. Okay. When you are giving limit to limit x tends to 2, what you press in your calculator is 1.999 because it's close to 2, right? So that's what you press. You tell your calculator, please, I want it to be 1.99999. You understand? Limit tends to 3, 2.999. Limit tends to 4, 3.999. Limit tends to what? 5, 4.999. Now, I want you to tell me limit tends to 6. What will you put? Limit tends to 6. What will you press in your calculator? Limit tends to 6. What will you press in your calculator? Because 1 is 0.999 close to 1. 2 is what? 1.999. 3 is what? 3.9999. 4 is what? 4.999. 5 is what? 5.999. This is what? 5. Sorry. 4 is what? 3.999. Sorry. 5 is what? 4.999. 6 is what? 6.999. 6 is what? 5.99. Don't mind me. I'm just trying to make fun of it. So I'm seeing a lot of people saying 5.999, and that is correct. Limit tends to 6 will be what? 5.999. If you are giving limit tends to 0, it will be what? 0.111. Okay, this one is actually different. It will be what? 0.111. Now, this solution you are seeing can also work for limit at infinity. Okay, you can actually use the first one or use this one, but I prefer just looking at it and getting my answer. Okay, so if you're giving limit tends to infinity, you can also put 99999. Either of the case is still going to work. Okay, so I hope you've gotten it. If you've gotten it, let me know in the comment section. I want to move to an example. Let me know in the comment section. I want to move to an example how we can solve the limit of a function by just looking at it. Let me know in the comment section you've gotten it. Just put gotten and we'll move over to an example. Okay, I'm saying gotten already. Mind you, this is the only way you can learn it. Tutor Josh is the only one that can teach you this. All right, so I'm saying gotten already. So let's move over to an example. Now we are giving this question. Now pay attention. We are giving this question actually is from full past question. I just went in to get this question. I will tell you the year later on. So imagine this type of question given to you in the example. It's kind of simple. You might want to solve it. You understand? You might want to solve it, but I don't want to waste my time. I hate to waste time. So that's why I prefer using calculator. Okay, I prefer punching my calculator, and calculator will give you an accurate answer. Calculator cannot fail, except to punch a different answer there. So please take down the question. You can write it down because I want to bring my calculator out from your screen so you will see my calculator. Now the first step is to clear your calculator. I don't know what you've punched in your calculator before. So I want you to clear your calculator. Everything you have in your calculator, clear it. So okay, let me bring out my calculator. Hold on. Can you see my calculator, please? If you can see my calculator, let me know in the comment section that you can see my calculator. Can you all see my calculator? Let me know in the comment section that you can see it clearly. If you can see my calculator, let me know in the comment section that you can see my calculator. Let me know in the comment section that you can see my calculator. Okay, love, you can see it. You can see it. Now, the first step is what? To clear your calculator. And I say to clear your calculator, please write it down. You press Shift 9. Now, to show you clear, you choose 3. You choose what? 3. Then you want to clear all. Okay, so you press equal to for yes. After pressing equal to, you press AC. So let me repeat it. You press Shift 9, 3 equals to AC. Can I go again? Shift 9, 3 equals to AC. That is the way we clear our calculator. Okay, you can also write it in the comment section. So for others that are just joining, we see shift 9 3 equals to what? AC. All right. So let's go back to the next step that we have. Let's go back to the next step. Now, the next step said we should what? The next step said we should assign the question in your calculator. That means this question that we have here, 2 open brackets minus 3 plus x close bracket square minus 18 over x. We should put it in our calculator. This is where your speed is going to come because you need to press it fast. So there should be difference between you that is using calculator to solve and someone that is solving it with his pen or with his book. That's why you need to practice. Okay, write the question down because I want to punch it in the calculator now. Write the question down. So let us punch it together in the calculator. I'm going to show you how fast you can do it. How fast you can do it. Okay. So let's take the question now. I hope you are following me. If you are following me, let me know in the comment section that you are following me. Oh. If you are following me, let me know in the comment section that you are following. Okay, let's press this calculator. Let's press it. Let's press what we have here. Now this is my calculator, right? So let's press it together. First of all, you have to bring out your what? Your division sign. Okay, you have to bring out your what? Your division sign. This is your division sign here. Hope you can see it. So you press your division sign. So you put all what you have in the numerator. You put all what you have in the numerator. And what you have in the numerator was what? 2 open brackets minus 3 plus what? Plus x, right? So you press x, you press alpha, this key here, alpha, then you press x. Then what do you have again? You close your bracket and you press square. This is where you have square. I hope you can see my screen. You press square. Then minus 18, right? You press minus 18. Actually, because I'm teaching it, that's why I'm slow. I want everybody to follow it. Okay, if it's an exam, I'll punch it and get my answer right. Okay, after that, you navigate downward, press this key to navigate downward, then you press alpha x. That is why I like online tutorial. I'm going to be showing you typically on how you can press it. Okay, I hope you've gotten this part. I hope you press it to this part. Okay, let's do it again. I on it, I press the division sign. This is just for this question, okay? So you know how to get used to it. When you see other questions, and you press what? 2 open bracket minus 3 plus what? Plus alpha x. Close your bracket, then square minus what? 18. Then you navigate that what to put alpha x. All right. So at this junction, what is the next step? What did the next step tell us to press calc? And when you press calc, to show you question mark. Now, because they say you should limit it to what? To 0. Remember, limiting it to 0, you press 0.11111. 11111. All right. So let's go back. Let's go back to our calculator. So let's go back to our calculator. You press calc. This is where calc is in your calculator. You press calc. It will show you S question mark. The question tells us what? Limit to 0. Limiting to 0, you press 0.11111. As if you say limit to 5, what will you press? Limit to 5. How are you going to press? You press 4.999. But this question is limit to 0. So after you push it, you press calc. This is where calc is in your calculator. You press calc. Then after pressing calc, you press what? 0.111, because they say you should limit to what? To 0. So at this junction, you just press equal to. Now your answer is what? Minus 11.77778. 77778. This is the answer to the question. Now, probably you might see minus this thing in your option. If you are doing an objective question, you might not see something like this. What you are going to see in your option can be like minus 12. Obviously, it's just for you to what? Approximate. And once you approximate this, it's going to give us what? Minus 12. So I wonder why a lot of you are going to be wasting a lot of time in a question like this. You can actually use your calculator to get it. Please, I hope you've gotten it. I hope you've gotten it. If you've gotten it, let me know in the comment section. Please, let me know in the comment section you've gotten it before we move over to the next question. Let me know in the comment section you've gotten it. Let me know in the comment section if you've gotten it before we move over to the next question. Our time is fast spent. I don't want to spend a lot. Let me know in the comment section you've gotten it. Okay, I'm still a lot of gotten. I'm still a lot of gotten. Okay, someone said very easy. Very easy. All right. So I want you to do this question for me. Do this question for me. I don't know the answer. This number 2 question. They say you should limit at to 3. Do the question and type the answer in the comment section. Do it and type the answer in the comment section. This is a live class. Okay, so we are going to be practicing. That said, there's going to be giveaway for those students that stay to the end of this class. There's going to be a giveaway for those students that participated in this class. So do it and type, because I'll be watching all of these things. So do it now and type it in the comment section. This number 2 question. Do it and type it in the comment section. All right. Do it and type it in the comment section. Please watch my answer to number 2. It should be done. It should be done. Okay, someone is saying he didn't get it. He didn't get it. Okay, you can just rewind back, and watch the video again. Okay, this is a live video, so you can rewind back and join us. Okay, I'm seeing a lot of answers. I want to do this question for me. And for you that you didn't get it, please, I will do this question. So you want to listen. I'll do this question. So you want to listen. I'll do this question. So please pay attention and I'm going to use this question to do it. Okay, I'm going to use this question to do it. Are we done? Okay, a lot of answers. Let us do it together. Okay, let's do it together. So let's bring our calculator to the screen. Okay, so first of all, you clear your calculator, you press shift 9, TV equals to AC. Then you want to press the question in your calculator, right? So you bring your division sign, you are pressing alpha x raised to the power of 3, right? So to bring raised to the power of 3, you press this and you press 3, then you navigate, then you press minus 7x, that was the question, right? Then plus 12, then you navigate downward to press what? S minus 3. You are pressing alpha x minus 3. What are you going to do? Then you've gotten to this part, you press calc, right? Because they say you limit s to 3, you press 2.99999. I like leaving it in 5 places. Okay, just leave it in 5 places. After that, you press equals to. Now you're going to be having what? Minus 1799980. Now this question is kind of too big because I actually just forged it. Okay, I actually just forged it for this class. So a question like this can be solved. I want to just show you that you can solve this question without even doing all this manipulation and stuff. Okay, so those of you that wrote this answer in the comment section, obviously this is the answer. I hope we've gotten it. If you've gotten it, let me know in the comment section you've gotten it. And then move over to something tedious. Okay, we'll be doing it for close to 30 minutes now, 40 minutes. So let's move over to something tedious like your differentiation or integration. Those are questions that usually come out a lot of times. I went to Unibank past question. I'm seeing something like that. Even Fukui, I'm seeing something like that. So let's move over to something tedious. So I hope you've gotten it. You've gotten it in the comment section. You've taken your question. Please let me know in the comment section you've gotten it. Or you can just write move on, sir. Just write in the comment section that I should move on. Just write in the comment section that I should move on. All right. Just write in the comment section that I should move on. Okay, I'm seeing move on. I've seen move on. So we are actually following. That is nice. That is nice. So like I said, let's move over to something tedious. So you know that not only limits that can be solved, even your domain and range, your what is that topic? Your differentiation, your everything can be solved even without solving. So let's move over to the next one. Or before that, let me give you some past questions or some questions that you can take in your past questions. If you don't have a past question, you can chat me up and I'm going to send to you. So you go to 2017 to 2018, number 28, 2017 to 2018, number 28, and number 47. 2016 to 2017, number 35 and number 36. Please write it down. 2016 to 2017, number 35 and 36. 2015 to 2016, number 46, 47, 48. These are limits of the function question. 2015 to 2016, number 46, 47, 48. What I'm actually giving you past question is that your lecturers, they don't have new questions. They're just going to set what they've given you before. They are just going to set what they've given you before. So go to this question or go to this past question and try to understand how it is solved. Okay, look at it, practice. Once you practice, you imagine you request your calculator every day to solve something like this. Obviously, it's going to get used to you. So that is why you need to practice. So let's move on to integration. Yeah, before we move to differentiation or a lot of things, because I want to be on a fast lane now. So you want to follow me. I want to be on a fast lane. So for integration, there are two types of integration. For me, your lecturer might tell you, so the just is saying there are two types of integration because that is the way I can solve with my calculator. That is what I know. So please, there are two types of integration for me: the integration with limits and integration without limits. Integration with limits is the one that will give you upper limits and or upper boundary, lower boundary. They will give you the upper boundary is this, the lower boundary is this. These are integration with limits. Integration without limits are the one that they will just give you and they say integrate 4s. Those ones can be solved with your calculator. Integration with limits, they will give you upper boundary, lower boundary. Those ones can be solved with your calculator. Integration without limits can be solved. Those ones will tell you integrate 4s squared plus 2s plus c. Those ones too can be solved with your calculator. So let's look at integration with limits. Okay, let's look at this first question. This first question said, evaluate the integral of 4 exponential 2x with upper boundary, which is upper limit rather, with upper limit and lower limit of 1 over 2 and minus what? Minus 1 respectively. That means your upper limit is going to be 1 over 2 and your lower limit is going to be what? Minus 1. This can be solved with your calculator. Okay, I want you to take the question down so we can go to the step on how to do that. Now, the first step is to what? Clear your calculator. Like I said, you want to clear your calculator. Now, you might want to be doing it in your exam, but this is the way you're going to do it. You are giving 1 to 70 questions, for example. I would prefer you to solve all limit questions with your calculator. You solve all integration questions. So once you're moving to integration question, you are clearing your calculator. Moving to differentiation question, you are clearing your calculator. Moving to, you understand? So that's the way you're going to do it. So you clear your calculator, you set your calculator to radian mode. When you're solving the differentiation, degree mode, integration, radian mode. Okay, when we get to differentiation, I'll tell you what to do. So when you're solving integration, set your calculator to radian mode. I am pressing shift mode 3. Then there's a sign called alpha under the calculator. Okay, you know what? Let me bring that to my calculator so we can do it together. First of all, you clear your calculator by pressing shift 9 3 equals to 8. I'm very sure we must have mastered this. Now set your calculator to what? Radian mode. If you check the calculator on the top of your calculator right now, you see that your calculator is doing D, it is degree. Don't solve integration with degree. Solve it with what? R, which is radian. So you are pressing mode, oh sorry, not mode, you are pressing shift mode. Number 4 is what? Radian, right? So you are pressing shift mode 4 rather, not 3. I said 3 last time, so it's 4. So shift mode what? 4. So you can see now you're having what? R. You're having out what? R. Now let's move over to the first step. The first step says we should press the function under alpha to bring out the integral sign. Press the function under alpha to bring out the what? integral sign. So to bring out integral sign, the function under alpha is what? This function here. This is under alpha. You press it. So after pressing it, move to the question. Impute the question by navigating and press equals to the answer. I wonder why you be solving integration question. If I catch you solving integration question in the exam, I will deal with you. So you just put the question in your calculator and you're getting the answer straight. So let's go to the calculator, because I told you to write the question down. You understand? This is the question. Write it down, which is 4 exponential raised to the power of 2s, then upper limit of what? Half, and lower limit of -1. All right, so this is what you have to do in your calculator. So what are you going to do? You go back to your calculator, you press 4. Let me go to my calculator now. All right, can you see my calculator? So you're pressing alpha exponential, because alpha here is what? Red. Your exponential here is what? E, which is also red. You're pressing alpha exponential. Then raised to power, you press your raised to power sign, and you're putting what? 2 alpha x. 2 alpha what? X, to bring out this. Then you navigate, because you have to navigate to this lower limit. Lower limit is what? -1. You press -1, then navigate upward and put 1/2. This is what the question is talking about. A question like this can come out in your exam. You can see that it's very, very easy to solve. When you're done with this, what are you going to do? Obviously, you press calculator, you press equals to get your answer, right? You press equals to get your answer. So the answer to this question is 5.1. Let's approximate 5.17. Please, did anyone guess what I just did now? If you've gotten this integration, don't type "got integration" in the comment section. Gotten integration in the comment section. Someone that you're following me, just type "gotten integration" in the comment section, because a lot of us are watching this. So type "gotten integration" in the comment section. Gotten integration in the comment section. All right, so our time is fast spent. Gotten integration in the comment section. Okay, I've seen gotten integration. Just write gotten integration in the comment section. Okay, I've seen another gotten integration. All right. Our time is fast spent. We have to do a lot of work. A lot of work have to be done. Type gotten integration. I want to see about 10 persons type gotten integration in the comment section. Gotten integration. Someone is saying you can't find E in the calculator. I said you have to press alpha. Let me bring out my calculator. You can see my calculator, right? Where's my calculator? Okay, you can see it, right? So let me just clear this. Should we recap? Let's just recap. All right. To do that, your calculator. You can clear your calculator. Set your calculator to radian mode. After setting to radian mode, you press the question. You press the sign under alpha, which is then you punch it, which is 4 alpha exponential, which is this button here. That's what you press. Then raise to the power of what? 2 alpha x. Then you navigate to this side and press -1, because the lower bound is -1. You navigate up and press 1 divided. This divided by what? 2. Then you press equals to. So you can see it's -5.1. So if you've gotten it, right? Gotten integration in the comment section. Right? Gotten integration in the comment section. Mind you will not learn this thing from anywhere. I'm still saying it, and I know when I'm saying it. No one is going to teach you this from anywhere. All right? No one is going to teach you this. Now, if you've gotten it, type gotten integration in the comment section. And before we move over to, because there are a lot of questions. I have a lot of questions here. So get to my DM after this and ask for past questions. You can practice. If you don't practice, everything Josh is here is just rubbish. So go to your past question. Let me just give you question that you can do. Now, past question on integration with limit. So are you there with me? your past question, 2018, 2019, number 19. 2018, 2019, number 19. Then 2017, 2018, number 32, 34, 35, 39, 40. That is 32, 34, 35, 39, 40. These are integration without limit. Now, before we move over to the question, our time is fast spent, okay? I wanted us to just stay for 1 hour. Okay, I wanted us to just stay for 1 hour. Because obviously there are a lot to do. There are a lot to do, okay? There are a lot to do. If you should continue, obviously most of you are watching this with your data. You understand? You're watching with your data, and I don't even know if you have enough like that. You understand? I have enough, and we might want to continue the lecture, but to spare our time, I want to believe something that you have now believed that everything I've just done or everything you are doing in your maths 102, mind you, also your stats 112 can solve with your calculator. Even though we've not done any question, any example there, your stats 112 can solve with your calculator. So I want to believe that everything in your maths 102 and stats 112 can be solved with your calculator, and our time is fast spent. But don't think I am done with you, because I'm not done. I want to believe that you are sure that your calculator, or just by looking at it, you can get your answer. If you believe that, just write yes in the comment section. If you believe that everything can be solved, write yes in the comment section. Write yes in the comment section if you believe that everything can be solved, because you've seen what I've done. You've seen what I've done, obviously. So everything in your maths 112, 111, I don't want to know the code can be solved. So if you believe everything can be solved, write yes in the comment section. I want to ask you a few questions. Tutor, just want to ask you a question. What if I'm ready to hold you in the hands and teach you everything concerning solving mathematics, not only 112 or 102 and the rest? I'm ready to hold you in the hands and teach you everything concerning solving mathematics, everything from your 100 level to your 400 level to your 500 level, even if you are going to 600 level. What if Tutor Josh is ready to hold you in the hands? You let me hold you. Let me see yes in the comment section. If you want me to hold you in the hands, let me see yes in your comment section. You're ready to teach, you're ready for me to teach you every secret in mathematics. Let me see yes in the comment section. If Tutor Josh wants to hold you and guide you, let me see yes in the comment section. Now, this is just the first question. Let me ask you another question. What if I'm ready to show you the secret of how I and my students as we clear every mathematics exam? Will you want to know this secret? Say yes, I want to know this secret. Type yes, I want to know the secret in the comment section. Type yes, I want to know the secret in the comment section. For those of you that are following, and for those of you that are not following, probably you're having issue, just answer my question first. Answer my question. You want me to make you mathematician? Type yes, I want to know the secret. You want me to make you mathematician, not mathematician. I know it's magic for me. I like doing mathematician. Type yes in the comment section that you want to know the secret. Type yes, I want to know the secret in the comment section. Now, a lot of yeses, I can see a lot of persons. I don't just want to mention your name. A lot of persons they want to know the secret. They want to know how I'm solving mathematics and killing every of my mathematics exam. All right. So, if you want to know the secret, I have something for you. Your answer is yes. Now, let me introduce you to my online course that contains over 75 videos that will teach you everything about mathematics. It's an online course that I tag how to solve mathematics without solving blueprints. I tag how to solve mathematics without solving blueprints. Now, I have done 75 plus videos. This one you're watching is just Tospi. You know they call Tospi. Those of you in Lagos, you know they call Tospi. It's just Riaza. It's just Riaza. I've done 75 plus videos, and these videos contains everything that will teach you about mathematics. So I target what how to solve mathematics without solving blueprints. Now, these 75 videos, I later divided into 8 parts. I divided it into what 8 parts. Now, let me show you what you are going to get. In the first part of this course, you are going to learn how to do number system and operation. How you can solve number system and operation, your number line, your partial fraction, your complex number, your a lot of number, anything about numbers in mathematics. I put it in the part one. The part two is sequence, series, and equation. That means if you are doing AP and your GP, your equation, your quadratic equation, your trigonometry, I put it in the part two. You understand? Now, for the part three, it's algebraic manipulation, trigonometry, and function, which is part four. So a lot of mathematics problems have been done already. Number five is calculus. Okay, this trigonometry and function, you'll be learning your domain and range of a function. A lot of things you're going to be learning from this online course. This part five, you're going to be learning calculus, which is actually what we just did: your integration, your differentiation, your limits. Then on part six, you're going to be learning linear algebra, which is your partial fraction. A lot of things you're going to be learning from this course. Part seven, you'll be learning probability and combinations. So those of you that have done statistics, stats 111, 112, please, this course is for you. This online course is for you. Your part 8, you are going to be learning what? Statistics. Everything about statistics. Is it your mean media mode? Is it your regression? Is it your deviation? Is it your standard deviation? Everything is in part 8. You are going to learn it. And I said 75 videos. If you put all the parts together, there are 75 plus videos. If I might even lose count. I might not even be getting it. So everything is in this course. Now, I'm very sure you'll be excited that you are getting a lot from this course, because you're going to be getting how to solve mathematics with solving. And you think I am done? Please, I'm not done. This is just beginning. All right. After getting this course, because obviously I'm going to be giving the course to you, right? I am going to be giving it to you. So after getting it, you stand a lot of chance to win, or you stand a chance to win a lot of things from me. You are going to be joining my student support group, which is Super Mathemagician. Normally, if a student wants to join this group, is worth 25,000 that you can see on your screen. All right, but you're going to be joining it for free. You will get direct access to other tutors, because I am not the only one that have taught this thing, or I know this thing. Obviously, I've taught a lot of students, and these students are now like my tutors. They are working for me. All right, so you are going to be getting direct access to me and my tutors. And to do that, obviously, you have to pay 10,000, but please, it's free. Okay, don't be free if you are getting my online course. Now you can see this screenshot on your screen. Someone came to me and said, "Sir, please, I forgot how to initialize a number. Tell me this." I just gave him 20 seconds. 20 seconds was voice note, and he said, "Okay, I've gotten it. Thanks." So you can see this is not even this year or last year. You can see the date here. It was close to 2 years ago. So it's not what I've been doing now. I've been doing it for so long. I've been doing it for so long. All right, and if you can see the time he sent me a message, 9:42 p.m. I reply him around 9:42. Even though you chat me by 4 a.m., I am going to reply you. If you chat me by 4 a.m., I'm going to reply. So far, you are my student. So far, you've gotten how to solve mathematics without solving blueprint. So you are going to get free materials, free mathematics materials for me. And you are going to be my student for life. A lot of mathematics, like now I said, a lot of you to ask me so you can get past questions. Right? So you'll be getting all of this for free. If you want to get past questions in school, I know I'm not selling it, but I've got it down and I put it together for you so that you can have it. So you're getting a lot of this from me for free. There will be weekly classes like this. I'll be coming live on YouTube or other channel like this. And if you see the work is actually big. I actually try to open it for people to actually gain this knowledge from me. But please, I am not charging you. Yeah, number 5 is saying you're going to get 5 magic guide. Now I prepare for any of my coming examination. This is actually a book I wrote, how I prepare for my examination. And it's actually worth 5,000 naira. It's actually worth 5,000 naira. So this is the guide. A lot of you are writing exam. FUP is writing exam September 23. Unity, I think they've started. So a lot of you are writing your exam. So imagine you getting my guide on how to prepare for examination. 5 guides, just 5. I just gave 5, and a lot of testimonies has come to my DM on how their exam works. This is not only mathematics, mind you. This can be other courses that you're offering. Okay. So number 7 is that any student here, now this is going to be my first giveaway. Are you listening? Any student here that's 95 and above in their exam, using my guide, I'm going to give the person 10,000 naira. Any student that score 95, so but you must have gotten how to solve mathematics without solving blueprints. You must have gotten what? How to solve mathematics without solving blueprint. And my second giveaway is that I will teach you how you can teach others to make money, just like I've taught others. A lot of students are teaching in school right now because obviously I'm not currently in school, I'm in Lagos. So a lot of people are teaching in school and they are making more money for themselves. So I will teach you how you teach others and make extra money for yourself. Okay, I'm going to be dropping a link in the group chat where you can actually join that group, because that group is only for people that want to teach others, not for everybody. You know, this giveaway is not for everybody. But the first one is that once you score 95 and above in your exam, I'm going to teach you how you teach others so that you can make extra money for yourself. I hope you're following. Now, with all that you've heard, you will know that this my online course, How to Solve Mathematics, is with high value, and you should not joke with it. And what is in the course will never be taught in your class. Even though the course is placed at a price, let me tell you something, it is worth it. Imagine you being with me and getting a lot of this bonus. You're getting access to my support group, direct access to me and other tutor. So even though it's placed at a price, it is worth it. It is better you change your academic game now and score that A you need in your maths 111. Imagine you scoring an A in your maths 2. How will you feel? How will your GPA feel? How will your CGPA feel? So you imagine you paying for something worth valuable. A lot of people are going to be paying for tickets to go to the party and but try and make your academic game a success. Try to invest in yourself. So even though it is placed at a price, let me tell you something, it is worth it. It is what it. Imagine this bonus for you. Imagine this bonus for you. Scoring 95, because I'm going to teach you how to score 95 over 100 or above over 100. I'm still going to credit you. Teaching you how to make money by teaching others this same thing. So imagine all of this. So it is worth it. Now the cost is actually 10,000, but because you to the end of this class, because you stop to the end, this is over 1 hour now in this class. So because you stay to this part, you are not going to be getting it for that. Okay, you are not going to be getting it for 10,000 naira. I'm going to actually reduce it. I'm not going to give you my online course that contains 75 videos, pros videos that will teach you how to solve mathematics without solving. But because you stay to the end, I will just be giving it for a discount. Now, this discount is just for now. If this class ends, is discount the price of the course move over to 10,000 naira. I hope you agree. I want to give you for just 2,000 naira. So I bet it is something you want to take advantage of immediately. I bet it is something you want to take advantage of immediately. Imagine you getting how to solve mathematics without solving and making your mathematics game a success, having A in all your mathematics courses for just 2,000 naira. Now, this is only for this night. After this night, how to solve mathematics without solving by Dr. George is going to move over to 10,000 naira. All right, it's something you want to take advantage of, right? Now, it is not for everybody. We are over 30 something in this place. It is not for everybody. All right, so it is just for the first 5 persons that will make the transfer to my account. Now, it is just the what first 5 persons. After 5, I'm going to end this live and it move over to 10,000 naira. Now, how to solve mathematics without something? How to solve mathematics without solving blueprint? It's an online course that will teach you how you can solve all your mathematics courses. Even though you get to 100 level, you are going to go back to the course because there are recorded videos that you go back and go and watch. You watch the way I'm going to teach you live, and you go and be making success for you. So you success yourself. So it's just for you to send 2,000 naira to the account below that I'm going to give. So if you want to be the first selected 5 to grab my giveaway offer, if you want to be the first selected 5 to grab this giveaway offer, you send 2,000 naira to this account balance or account number on your screen. 017-603-6699. GT Bank Joshua Omolame Francis. All right. So for the first 5 persons, just five. After the first 5 persons, we'll end the live and it's moved over to 10,000, which is the initial price. And mind you, you are getting how to solve mathematics without solving blueprints. You are also getting bonuses from me. You join my student support group where I'll be teaching you a lot of things, even after getting the course. You get direct access to me and other tutors that will teach you the same thing. You get free materials from me, and please, if you send your money, just send your receipt to my DM or comment in the comment section page. Just send my receipt in the comment in my DM and comment in the comment section page. Get direct access to me and other experienced tutors. You get my 5 magic guide on how you prepare for your coming examination. If you become the best student in your class by scoring 95 and above in your examination, you get 10,000 naira cash from me. You're also going to be getting bonus on how you can teach others, and make an extra money for yourself. So what you're going to do now is for you to send just 2,000 naira to this account number showing on your screen and send the receipt to my DM. I'll be checking it and I'm going to be counting those that I've sent, and comment paid. Comment what's paid in the comment section. I'm going to be counting just five. After the first 5 persons I've sent, then we're going to end this live section and we are going to concentrate on those that are paid. And even if you want to know how you can do that to make money, which is an extra bonus, you can. I'll send a link to the group so you can join the group chats where I'm teaching you how you can do that. Because we are going to be learning to solve mathematics and doing well for ourselves in our school, and also be making money as a student. All right, just comment paid, send the receipt to my DM, so you can do that right now, because after this class I am going to end live session. So I'll start counting now. Okay, I think I've seen some receipts. I'm with my phone actually, so I'll be counting those that have done it. All right. Time is fast spent. We want to stay here for 1 hour. We've exceeded 1 hour 7 minutes. So just comment paid in the comment section. Send the receipt to my DM, and you're going to be among the selected 5. Just five. If you're having network issue, probably you're trying to make the transfer and it's not going, you can also come to my DM. So no, I'll put you among those that are going to take the discount for this night. Okay, I'll put you among those that are going to take the discount for this night. All right, I've seen one person. Okay, I'm just sending the receipt then, so you can comment paid. You comment paid in the comment section. While you send the receipts, I'm going to reply you after this voice note, and I'll give you access to how to solve mathematics without solving blueprint. I'll reply you and give access to how to solve mathematics without solving. This is the account number on your screen: 017 303 6699. GT Bank and my name. All right, I've seen one. So just send the receipt to my DM. Comment paid if you've done your transfer. Comment paid, and I'm going to reply you in my DM and give you access to it immediately. All right, I've seen paid here. And make sure you also send the receipt to my DM so you get access to it. Send the receipt of payment to my DM. Remember, after this live class, the price move over to 10,000, which is the initial price. So after this live class, you're obviously not going to get it for this again. So I'm going to just concentrate on those that are paid and start working with them. Teach them how to solve mathematics without solving, and they're doing well for themselves in school. All right, I've seen another one, which is two my phone. I don't know, probably it's network. So that's why I said you should send me a message. I'm kind of having network issue. All right, if you send to your own, just comment page. Oh, jeez, I've seen a lot of message. Okay, Those of you that want to pay for the price, if you want to pay, please, my account number is shown on the screen. See someone asking me for my account number on there. Okay, let me just send it to the person. Please, this is the very last time you are going to get this discount. You are not going to get it again. And remember, after this live class, so if you're just watching it, remember it's 5% I'm giving. So if you are just watching it, make sure you are taking action immediately by doing the necessary, by sending the token to my account, and you're getting access to the blue. Okay, I've seen another receipt which is 3. So please just hurry up, okay? Hurry up, send the receipt to my DM, and comment paid in the comment section. After this live class, I'm going to reply all of you that have sent receipt to my DM and also give you access to blueprints. Remember, everything in your Maths 101, your Maths 102, your Stats 112, everything concerning mathematics, even though you get to 200 level, you are going to be using what is it called? You're going to be using my course to get what you want. Okay. Someone is saying is doing well. So sorry, I have a lot of messages here. So by the way, you can also come to my DM to get the past question. By the way, you can also come to my DM to get the past question. All right, you can come to my DM to get the past question. Send the receipt to my DM and also comment in the comment section so we'll know that you are actually in. Okay, I've seen 4. So just one person, me one person, okay? Me one person. Please hurry up and do it so we can end this live session. And after this live session, we are going to move the price over to 10,000, which is the initial price. We are going to move it over to 10,000, which is the initial price. Okay. Who is going to be the luckiest person to join our online series? By the way, by next week, there's going to be another class like this, but it's only for those that have joined the class. Okay, just for the 5. I don't want to concentrate on people that are a lot of crowd. You understand? Okay, so please and please, you can make the transfer to the account number on your 2,000, and you get a lot of these bonuses from me. Imagine a lot of these bonuses you are getting. Imagine all these bonuses. The first one, like I'm still going to repeat it, access to my support group. I'm going to add you to a group chat where you are going to become super mathematician, teaching you all of the secrets, plus getting the videos. Okay. Also, direct access to me and other tutors. Free material, mathematics material. You'll be getting in Facebook. I also promised you past questions. You can call my name. And I'm giving you the past questions for you to practice those questions in it. To practice those questions in it. Weekly mathematics class from me and other experienced students. Every week, I'm going to be coming live like this, interacting with you, following the comment section, looking at what you have. If you don't understand, explain, because this is the only time you can learn. Imagine the students can't ask a question in class because of how crowded the class is. But that is why Tutor Josh is here for you. I'm going to give you access to my magic guide on how you prepare for any coming examination. Okay, this is the guide that I put together that tells you this is what you should do, this is what you should do, this is what not you should do. You understand? So this is a guide that I put together. Also, if you become the best student, I'm going to give you or you become the best student and score 25 and above. I'm going to give you 10,000 naira. Imagine you paying 2,000 naira and later becoming best student and getting an extra 10,000 naira for yourself. So imagine that this is actually what I'm going to be doing for you. I'm going to give you an extra bonus. The extra bonus now is to teach you how to teach others to make money for yourself. Imagine you pay 2,000 naira and you are making money for yourself by teaching others what you've learned. Don't joke with it. So what you should do is to send 2,000 naira. Okay, I've seen another page in the comment section. Send 2,000 naira to this account. and join the first 5 person. It's just for 5 person. After the first, okay, I think I've seen another. Okay, let me check my phone. I'll be taking your receipts by the way to know those that have sent their own. All right, and if you've sent, please comment speed, send receipt to my team. So after this live, I'm going to end this live and give you the course. Okay, and by the way, once you're preparing for your exam, obviously all that benefits is going to be given to you. Okay, I've seen how many now. I've seen one. Hey. God. Okay, all right. I think I've seen the last person. Someone saying I can't transfer again tonight to 12. Probably person has reached its limit. If you've reached your limit, transfer limit. Okay. If you can't transfer tonight, just let me know in the comment section. Or it's not in the comment section, on my DM. Okay. Let me know on my DM that you can't transfer. So I'll give you access to what, or I'll give you access to be among the first 5 also, so you can transfer later on. Okay, I've seen 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I've seen 5. I've seen 5. So remember, this is all what you are going to be getting. And if you are probably far behind, this is a live class, so some people might still be far behind and want to make the payment, you can also send it to this account number. Okay, send it to this account number and also join the class, which or join to get my online course. Okay, just 2,000 naira, and you are going to get a lot of benefits, which I will actually repeat. Imagine you getting a video course that's going to teach you how to solve mathematics without solving. Imagine you getting class guide. You can come to my DM anytime, even by 4 a.m. Someone chat me, someone saw me in school. I was like, Judge, I don't know you. I'm one that chatted you up by 2. Say I don't know I'll still be awake by that time. I said, why you are my student? You've paid for my course before. Anything you chat me, I'm going to reply. She thought it was a joke until she tested me, but actually I don't know if it's a test. I replied at that same time. So imagine you getting a lot of this bonus from me and enjoying all of these benefits. Even the night to your exam, you can come to my DM and sir, I don't understand. I don't understand. I am going to reply you and teach you all of this. Okay, we've come to the end of this this class. We've come to the end of this class. Okay, someone is saying network problem in transfer. All right, so you can just try it down. Okay, try it down, but please, if you paid, type it in the comment section you paid. I'm going to reply you after this class, and you're going to join or be giving the course. So we've come to the end of this class. We've come to the end of this class. If you benefited something from this class, let me know in the comment section, and I'm going to end this live section now. So this is the account number. You can transfer this account number, and we've come to the end of this class. So I'd like to end the live section now. So those of you that probably want to pay later on, let me know on my DM you want to pay later on. Okay, let me know on my DM, because if you want to pay later on, you should also let me know on my DM. Okay, so I'm going to see you all at the top. I'm Mr. George. I'm going to see you all at the top. So this is the account number. You can transfer to the account number and let me know by sending the receipt. So I want to end the live section now, and I want to say thank you for joining. Thank you for staying to the end of this class. So every other thing will be discussed in the group chat, which are on the group chat, and you can also get to my DM. All right. Thank you once again. I'm going to reply those that since they are received to me right now, and they are going to be doing well for themselves. If you want to make your payments to this account number, and I will see you at the top. For someone that is saying she wants to pay for another person, you can also send the 2 receipts to my DM, and okay, I will reply both of you immediately. Just send the receipts. Anything you pay, if you pay for 5, send the receipt. If you pay for 10, send the receipt to my DM. Okay. Once you send the receipt to my DM, I'm going to reply you. And if you've learned a lot from this class, let me know in the comment section that you've learned a lot from this class and it has been helpful. So I'll just end the session now. Let me know in the comment section. Let me know in the comment section that all what I've done has been helpful. All right. So thank you once again. Thank you for staying to the end. All right, and I'm going to see you in my next class. That is if you've sent your 2000 naira to this account number on your screen. So I want to end the live section now. So I'll say good night, or whenever you're watching this video a bit late, just know it's actually late we did this. So see you all at the top, and I want to say bye. Thank you once again.